Using the IC 7485, we are going to study how the IC is used to perform the comparison operation. Now, magnitude comparator is the combinational logic circuit which is used to perform comparison of the magnitudes of the two binary numbers. Now, when the input is given in the form of a binary and we want to perform the comparison between these two binary numbers, then the comparator is used. Now, the comparator is performing comparison operation of the given two numbers and it is giving the output whether the numbers are equal, whether the first number is greater than second number or whether the first number is less than second number. Now let's say I am giving two inputs, variable A and variable B, to the comparator. Now the comparator is accepting these two binary numbers and it is giving the outputs as A is equal to B, A is less than B or A is greater than B. These are the three outputs which are given by the comparator. Now let's see the 1-bit comparator. Now in the 1-bit comparator, the inputs A and B, they are 1 bit in a size. Now 1 bit input value we are giving as an input to the comparator and comparator is performing comparison operation and it is giving the outputs in the form of A is equal to B, A is less than B or A is greater than B. Now this is the block diagram of the comparator. Now this is the, let's say, n-bit comparator. We are giving n-bit input values, that is variable A and variable B. Now this is the variable A and variable B. These are the inputs. Now when the inputs are given, this n-bit comparator is performing comparison operation and it is giving the outputs as whether A is equal to B, whether A is less than B or whether A is greater than B. This is the block diagram. Now when I want to perform 1-bit comparison operation by using 1-bit comparator, then at that time the n-bit comparator is acting as a 1-bit comparator. The inputs A and B are 1 bit in a size. Now when I am saying that the 1-bit comparator is used to perform the 1-bit comparison operation and the variable A and B, they are 1 bit in a size. Now I can say that the inputs A and B. Now for 1-bit comparator, the inputs are 0, 0. Now A will be either 0 or either 1. B will be either 0 or either 1. But when I am taking 2 as a inputs, then at that time 2 raised to 2, that is a 4 input possible combination. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now the inputs will be either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And at that time the outputs generated by the 1-bit comparator is, the output Y will be either A is equal to B, either A is less than B or either A is greater than B. Now here in this truth table, when the variable A is equal to 0 and variable B is equal to 0, then the output is generated as A is equal to B. Now A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So A is equal to B. So the output A is equal to B will be 1. And at that time A less than B or A greater than B will be 0, 0. When the A is equal to 0 and when B is equal to 1, now here in this case B is greater than A. So the output generated here, B is greater than A, that is A is less than B. At that time the output A is equal to B and A is greater than B is a 0, 0. Similarly, When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, at that time the output A is a greater than B. So A is greater than B is equal to 1 and remaining two outputs are 0, 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, the output A is equal to B is equal to 1 and A less than B and A greater than B, they are 0. Now this is the truth table for 1-bit comparator. Now based on to this truth table, now we'll identify the logic diagram of 1-bit comparator. Now to identify the logic diagram of 1-bit comparator, we have to identify the Boolean expressions for the outputs y. Now the output y is in the three forms: A is equal to B, A is less than B and A is greater than B. So we have to identify three minimized expressions for a y. First one for A equal to B, A less than B and A greater than B. Then we'll realize these expressions by using the logic circuit. Now first upon we'll identify the Boolean expression for A equal to B. Now two variables are given as a input. So two variable K-map we are going to use here. Now the output for first A equal to B. Now two variable K-map I am using here. This is the input A, this is input B. Input will be 0, 1, 0, 1. Now when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Now this is the K-map for A equal to B. Now we'll plot the K-map. Now the output will be 1, 0 and 0, 1. No pair is possible. All are isolated 1. Now the Boolean expression for A is equal to B. Now we can write like this. A is equal to B. The Boolean expression for this isolated one, it will be A bar, B bar plus the terms which are representing by the second isolated one are A, B. Now again we know that A bar, B bar plus AB is nothing but A XNOR B. Now this is the Boolean expression for A is equal to B. Now similarly we'll identify the expression representing for A less than B. Now the K-map for A less than B. Two variable K-map I am going to draw here. This is a K-map for A less than B and A greater than B. Variable A and B as a inputs. Now for A less than B and this is A greater than B. Now after plotting the outputs of A less than B, now my K-map will look like this. This will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Only one isolated one is available. So the expression representing by this isolated one is A bar B. Similarly, A greater than B, now we'll identify the expression after plotting the K-map. A greater than B, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. This is isolated one. Now the expression for A greater than B is, this is the A, B bar. Now once we'll identify the Boolean expressions which are representing by the outputs A is equal to B, A less than B, A greater than B. Now we'll draw the logic circuit for the 1-bit comparator. Now the two common inputs will take, the input will be A and B. Now again we need the complements values. So we'll take the complement values by using the NOT gates. So this is a bar. Similarly, the complement value of a B bar. Now to implement A greater than B. Now for the A greater than B, I have expression A B bar. Now I will use here the AND gate. The input will be, first input is A, second input is B bar. This is the Y is equal to A B bar, which is nothing but the output A greater than B. Similarly, A less than B. Now AND gate I am using here. A bar B is the expression representing by this, and this is the B input. Y is equal to A bar B. And the expression representing is A less than B output. Now similarly the third one, now the XNOR gate is used here. So the XNOR gate now I am going to be used here. This is the XNOR gate. The output which is generating Y is equal to A XNOR B. A XNOR B. And this is the A is equal to B output. And the inputs given are A and B. The first input is E and second input is B. This is the logic diagram of 1-bit comparator.